Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you another dinner I made for my family in the village. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. Let's get straight to today's video. I have a piece of meat here. This is a hippos here. Okay, so I want to remove this skin. Look at this, there is a hole here. This is a tiny hole. So that is supposed to pass sound, I don't know. You guys, this is the thickness of a hippo's skin. This is the thickness, look at that. And this thing is so hard. Actually, I just want to go and boil it. I'll go ahead and wash it. Okay, I feel it's now clean enough. I add it to my pot. Add some water. A little salt to taste. Turn it up. Then now we'll cook it. While my meat is cooking, I'll pick some vegetables, cowpeas leaves, Back from the shamba, I'll check on my meat. And then these are the vegetables I've been picking for a while. I'll wash them. Checking on my meat again, and after some time, this is just ready. I'm going to separate my meat and the bones. So the meat is just separating from the bones. This is the meat I got. I have my onions, tomatoes and coriander prepared and washed. I'll chop them up. My tomatoes, my coriander and my onions are ready. I separated my soup. I have my pot here. Some oil in. I'll add my chopped onions in. Before my onions turn to golden brown, I'm going to go in with my meat. I'll fry my meat for a few minutes. I'll add some tomatoes, Mexican, salt to taste, coriander. I have this seasoning here, Royco, beef flavor, and herbal packaging. Mix it up. Cover it up so my tomatoes can soften. I'll break 2 eggs here. Pinch of salt to taste. I'll beat it up now. I'll add the soup. Bring to a boil. Now I'll chop my vegetables. Wrap them like this and then I cut them in half. I uncovered my pot and mixed my tomatoes before adding my soup in. I just can't seem to find that clip for that part. I'll add in my cooking oil, some onions and fry them to golden brown. When my onions are golden brown, now I'll add my eggs. Tomatoes, add them in. Pinch of salt to taste. I'll cover it up so my tomatoes can soften. I'll remove them and set them aside. This pot is not dirty. I just added my soup in when I separated my soup from my meat. Okay, I'll add my onions in. Cooking oil. Fry the onions to golden brown. Okay, so over here I finished chopping my vegetables. My onions are now golden brown. I'll add in the vegetables. I'll have the last batch of my seasoning. Some salt to taste. Mix. I have some soup here that is left behind. I want to add it in and then I'll cook my vegetables until they are tender. I'll cover it up. It cooked enough. I'll remove it out. This is my vegetable pot. Okay, so the water for my ugali is ready. I'll go ahead and add my maize flour here. I'll spread my flour and then I'll let the water run through it. I'll now go ahead and cook this ugali. I'll just cook my ugali by mixing it and folding it. This ugali is just ready. I'm going to go ahead and round it up. After some time, I'll check on the vegetables now. My vegetable is ready. I'm going to go ahead and give this a test. Meat. It's tender enough. Even someone without teeth can eat it. This meat is a little fatty. I don't know, I added just a little oil. Thanks for watching again. I hope you liked today's video. And kindly subscribe to support me to create more videos like this, and see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.